How to fix Facebook login problem. So if you want to fix the Facebook login problem or the login error, then first check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, now you need to simply go for Play Store, open up your Play Store and go for the search, which is on the upper side, and search for Facebook. Once you've searched for Facebook, here you will have the application. So if you have an update option instead of this open option, then simply go for update and update your application. And once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. But even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to search for your Facebook, tap and hold on to your Facebook, go for app info, and under app info, go for storage and cache, and tap on clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, go back and tap on force stop. Once you tap on force stop, then your problem will be fixed. And after doing all of these like force stop, clearing your cache or clearing your storage, once you've done all of that, you need to press and hold on to your power button and then tap on restart. And once you tap on restart, your problem will be fixed. Once you've restarted, go back to the Facebook and try to log into your account and you'll be logged in. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.